Alright guys, so today's lesson we're going to start off with vocabulary. Okay, so I've been keeping up with my notebook. I've got the, all the notes that I've been doing. I'm just keeping up with my notebook. We're going to start off, and again, these are review vocabulary and then two new vocabulary. So the first one is eukaryote. And a eukaryote is an organism consisting of a cell or cells in which the DNA is contained within a nucleus. Okay? It is contained within a nucleus. Let me try to focus this a little bit. There we go. The second word is going to be a prokaryote. And that is a microscopic single-celled organism that does not have a nucleus nor organelles. Our third word is going to be multicellular. And that is an organism having or consisting of many cells. Okay, so that's more than one cell, multicellular. Unicellular is an organism consisting of a single cell. Okay, an organism consisting of a single cell. Now, the next two words, you might have already heard them before in your other classes or when you were in academy. The first word is a heterotroph. Okay, a heterotroph. And that is going to be an organism or organisms that obtain nutrients by consuming other organisms okay, basically they cannot produce their own food. And then the sixth word, which is an autotroph. Which are organisms that can produce their own food. Okay, so now, I'm going to start off with introducing you to two kingdoms, right? So my title is going to be The Six Kingdoms. Okay, the six kingdoms. The first kingdom I'm going to be introducing you to, so I'm going to divide whatever's left of this page, which is around half the page, in half. So the first kingdom is going to be the Archaebacteria kingdom. So Archaebacteria. And the second kingdom is going to be the Eubacteria kingdom. Eubacteria. Okay? So Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. So the Archaebacteria kingdom belongs to the domain Archaea. Okay, now Archaebacteria, bacteria are prokaryotes. Okay, they are unicellular. Now, Archaebacteria, the way that they get their food, they can be a heterotroph, which means that they, get it from another organism, or they can be a autotroph, which means some of these bacteria make their own food. Now, these organisms, this bacteria, they live in extreme places. Some examples of this are hot springs, acidic places, animal intestines, the bottom of swamps, okay, and many more. Now, for our eubacteria, which belongs to the domain bacteria, they are prokaryotes. These organisms are also going to be unicellular. They are heterotrophs. And autotrophs. They do not like extreme environments, unlike our Archaebacteria, our eubacteria. They like, common places. They're mostly found everywhere. So they do not live in extreme places. Which means they are found mostly everywhere. Okay, example, just basically in or on a person's body. So, for example, of one of these bacteria would be E. coli. Okay, so we have two different types of bacteria. We have Archaebacteria, which live in extreme places, and we have Eubacteria that basically live everywhere else. They belong to different domains. They are both prokaryotes. They are both unicellular. They are both heterotrophs and autotrophs. So they only have one, which is where they live, and the domain they belong to. That's what's different between them.